Morning everyone. I just want to show you where I buy some of my African food. So this is the shop, and the shop is in Germany. That's in Münster. This is the shop where I buy my African things. So come and shop with me. Here in this section they have pepper, which some people call it chili, but in Africa we call it pepper. They also have some varieties of things. But what I want to buy, I just want to buy African food. Here also they have fish. Here they have euro. They have also many other things. Here also you can see ginger, cassava, they have also yams, and also cocoyam. Here plantains, the ripe plantains and the green ones also. In this section they have palm oil, which is, they call it also red oil in Cameroon. And they have the African Maggi cube. That's the name I know. So that is it. That is just all about the shop. Yeah, so let me show you the things I bought. Some cassava, euro, Maggi, and some plantains. Thanks for watching. Bye.